Ngiyaphela.
Oh, phosa amaphosa.
Yakusena.
No, akufana fana. Oh, kodwa bafethu. No man, sirayight kakhulu. Ngibalanda la kule crash langa ka Toyota. Sawubona Shamaine. Hello Shamaine. Wow. My Shamaine yaphila kodwa mama. Kodwa Shamaine mama. Shamaine. Bafethu ningihlanganisela madoda. Bafethu nangi lo muntu bafethu ngicela manje ngani ngikhulumela naye. Shamaine mama ngicela ungiphe number yakho.
Shamaine
Oh, Ashanti. I'm present go Shamaine one man. Ashanti. No, I'm joking. Shamaine, there's a lady there by the way. Shamaine. No, Ashanti. Mama, please. No, I'm serious. I swear. It's just that Shamaine, she was calling me right now. And I'm telling you, Mama. Oh my God. Ashanti ngiyacela Mama. So, no, please, ungahamba. Man, ngibhedile bafethu ngabheda. No, Mama, let me explain. Allow me to explain. Please allow me to explain. There's a lady there, it's Shamaine. So he used to send me something in town, like some document or something like for the work. No, not because I'm cheating or what. Mama, I love you. I'm really deep in love with you. No, Ashanti. No, come on, Ashanti. Ashanti, please don't have this call, Mama. Mama's love is bafethu. Mama, ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi simoya.
Ask Shamaine for the number.
Oh no, Shamaine know nothing about you. I'm telling you, Mama, I'm so sorry, love. Please, I'm so sorry. Please, ngiyacela Mama, isani. You got to Shamaine ungenza. Shamaine is the old lady there. It's the old lady. She's married. Oh come on, Mama, umuhle yezwa yini? Ukuphi ekhaya lwami? Ngicela ukuphi ekhaya? Where you coming from? Your town. I mean, I'm been there for a long time. I never see you. Ungala Phongolo. Ashanti, ungayenzi leyo nto show. Please. Mina ngibazi bonke abantu basophongolo.
Go to Shamaine.
Come on, Ashanti, please. Ngicela mama ngiyacela sengiyeke indaba kaShamaine. Mama uyaxolisa. Awuphetha skills issues. Ngiyakutshengisa even call right now ukuthi bekade ngifonelile.
Okay.
Mama, no, come on, please. Tell okay, uyangithembisa ke kodwa ke maybe one day uculu ngahlangana.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, what you can say to people who follow you, who want you to be my wife, wonderful wife?
I'm already married.
You already married?
Yes.
With who? Where's the ring? Where's the ring? You lie to us. Your friend said that before. You lying.
No, I'm not lying. Serious. It's just that I forgot it.
You forgot the ring.
Yes.
What kind of a marriage?
My job, it's hard to. I'm busy.
Kodwa but ukuthi ukhiphe iringi. Keep iringi. No bafethu nangu bafethu umfazi wethu. One day is one day. So lokho nje siyincenga kancane. Except bafethu. Ngiyabonga.